Autumn is all about
Welcome.
warm tones
Thank
and
you for
cozy
visiting.
accents.
We're excited to
Decorate with
share
pumpkins,
inspiring ideas and
corks,
creative
dried
crafts
floral
with you.
arrangements, and
Explore
rustic
our
wooden
collection of
planters.
unique,
Use fall
handcrafted
foliage,
decor and
orange,
woodworking
red,
projects
and
inspired
yellow
by
leaves
sari
to add natural
designs.
beauty.
Stay tuned for
Incorporate
tips,
lanterns with
tutorials,
candles,
and innovative
wreaths,
ways to
and
turn your
cozy
passion
outdoor
into
throws to
profit.
make your garden
Enjoy your
inviting
creative
during
journey
cooler
with us.
evenings.
Starting a
Garden
mini
decor
woodworking
helps you
furniture
embrace the
business
changing
can be a
season
game
while
changer for
preparing your
craft
garden for the
enthusiasts and
upcoming winter
entrepreneurs
months.
alike. These small-scale projects, such as decorative shelves, small tables, or jewelry stands, are highly popular due to their versatility and aesthetic appeal. With the right craft and decor inspiration, you can create unique pieces that cater to modern tastes and home decor trends. Mini woodworking furniture requires minimal investment but offers high profit potential if executed well. To succeed in creating mini woodworking furniture, you need to equip yourself with essential tools and quality materials. Basic tools include saws, drills, sanders, brushes, and wood glue. Selecting the right type of wood, such as pine, plywood, or reclaimed wood, can significantly impact your project's cost and durability. For easy craft projects, opt for softwoods that are easy to cut and shape. Using non-toxic paints, stains, and sealants will enhance the beauty of your furniture while ensuring safety. Creativity is the cornerstone of profitable mini woodworking projects. Popular design ideas include wall-mounted shelves, small side tables, decorative plant stands, and jewelry organizers. Incorporate trendy elements like geometric shapes, vintage finishes, or rustic styles to appeal to modern consumers. Personalization options, such as engraved initials or custom paint colors, can add value and attract a broader customer base. Minimalist designs that emphasize creating mini woodworking furniture involves a clear, step-by-step process. Begin with detailed sketches or digital designs to visualize your project. Cut the wood pieces precisely according to your measurements, ensuring smooth edges. Assemble the components using wood glue and nails or screws for stability. Sand the surfaces thoroughly to eliminate rough edges. Finish with paint, stain, or varnish to enhance aesthetics and protect the wood. Pay close attention to detail, especially in joints and finishes, as these influence the overall. Effective marketing is essential to turn your mini woodworking projects into a profitable venture. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to showcase your creations with high-quality photos and videos. Create an engaging brand story that highlights your craftsmanship and unique designs. Participate in local craft fairs, markets, and pop-up shops to gain visibility and direct customer feedback. Offer customization options to attract personalized orders. Collaborate with interior designers or home decor stores for wholesale opportunities. Building an online store or Etsy shop. Pricing your mini woodworking furniture correctly is vital for profitability. Calculate the total cost of materials, labor, and overheads to determine your minimum selling price. Add a profit margin that reflects the quality and uniqueness of your pieces. Research competitors' prices to stay competitive while ensuring your prices cover all expenses. Consider offering bundle deals or discounts for repeat customers to boost sales volume. Highlight the value of handcrafted. Speed is crucial in a profit-driven mini woodworking business. Optimize your workspace for efficiency. arranging tools and materials for easy access. Batch similar tasks, such as cutting or sanding, to save time. Use pre-cut wood pieces or templates for faster assembly. Automate repetitive tasks with jigs or clamps. Maintain a clean workspace to avoid delays caused by Building strong relationships with your customers is key to sustained profits. Engage with buyers through social media, responding to comments and requests promptly. Share behind-the-scenes content to showcase your craftsmanship and authenticity. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews and share photos of your products in their homes. Offer loyalty programs or referral discounts to incentivize repeat business. Once your initial mini woodworking products gain popularity, consider expanding your product line. Introduce new designs, seasonal items, or themed decor to attract different customer segments. Offer custom orders and personalized items to increase your revenue streams. Collaborate with interior decorators, local shops, or online marketplaces for wholesale opportunities. Hosting workshops or DIY classes can also diversify your income. Invest in advanced tools or techniques to improve. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel for more craft and decor tips. Your support means a lot to us. Don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment. Stay tuned for more inspiring ideas. Thanks again for being part of our co.